In this automation, I'm going to show you how to create a landing page audit using AI. So what we have here is a landing page. This is my website, and what we're going to do is take a screenshot of this, and we're going to pass that into ChatGPT, and it's going to give us a little critique about the copy of the landing page, the layout, the structure, and all the important things to get your landing page converted. The automation starts with a tally form. Our tally form is a simple tally form. We just give it a name, call it AI automation, and we pass it the URL. So to get the URL, we'll just copy this, paste it in here, and we will start the automation, waiting for new data, and we'll submit, and that should kick off the let me just double check this. Actually, we don't need this. So it's picking up the URL, it's creating a variable, and it's passing that variable into the module HTTP make an auth request. This module is using this rapidapi. All it's doing is taking in the URL, the host name, and the API key, and it's taking a screenshot. If we look, we're passing the URL at the top. It's a GET request, and we've got the two headers. And the variable here, we pass it at the end. So the variable is just the URL that we pass in the beginning in the form. And the next step of the automation is we're going to create a folder to place this screenshot in. It's quite simple. We connect with our Google Drive, and then we just place the location of the drive and then give it a name. The next step is to upload that image onto that Google Drive folder that we just created here, and make sure we pass in the folder ID from the previous step. So the folder ID here. And also another important thing is to map the file from the previous steps. So what we map is we pass in the name from the first module, and then we pass in the screenshot from the HTTP. And then the last step in the Google Drive is to pass in the file ID from here so that we download that file. And then in our ChatGPT, we need to select Google Drive, download a file. Other ways of doing it didn't work. I didn't get it to work. So you need to click on image file. The prompt is you are a website auditing expert. You will look at the copy of the website layout, and you will provide criticism and improvements. You will check the colors and the layout and the structure, and you will pass in some improvements. We're using GPT-4o, passing 500 tokens. So you can see that the automation we started initially has finished, and we can check the results. So the first thing is the website has a modern and clean design, but it has quite a bit of white space that might be needed and utilized better. The navigation bar at the top is clear and functional, but could benefit from additional visual elements to make it more engaging. The color scheme is the strengths are combination of pastel colors like blue, purple, and light. The use of contrasting colors for the call to action buttons. Weaknesses: the distribution is uneven. There is abrupt transition between sections. Introduce more cohesive colors. And then there is typography, structure, and content. So this is quite a good detailed audit of the website. We can actually check the screenshot by just downloading it. We can see what the screenshot actually looks like. So if you open that up, so this is what the screenshot is like. It's not captured all the text. The reason it's taking a full screenshot of the whole page is because in here where it says height, we've given it 1080. I think we can reduce that down to just one page view height instead of the whole page view height. But nonetheless, it looks quite good to me. So I hope this has helped you. You can always go on to AI Automation, book a call, or book a free audit. Just put in the details, and I can do a free audit for your website.